Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to install Google Tag on Shopify. First, open Shopify on your PC. Then, tap in a new tab, open Google Tag Manager. Now, click on Create an account and enter your account name. After that, select your country and enter the container name. Next, go back to Shopify and click on the eye icon next to Online Store on the left side. Here, copy the URL from the address bar. Then, return to Google Tag Manager and paste the URL into the container name field. Now, select Web as the target platform and click Create. After that, scroll down, check the box to accept the terms and conditions and click Yes in the top right corner. Next, you'll see the two pieces of code. First, copy the head code to be placed as high in the head section as possible. Then go back to Shopify and click on Online Store from the left side. Now, click on the three dots next to your theme and select Edit Code. Here, find and open the theme liquid from the left side panel. Then, paste the head code inside the head section. After that, go back to Google Tag Manager and copy the body code to be placed immediately after the body tag. Now, return to Shopify and paste it in the right place. Next, click Save from the top right corner. Then, go back to Google Tag Manager, click Submit and enter a version name and description. Finally, click Publish from the top right corner and your Google Tag is successfully installed on Shopify. Thanks for watching, hope you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.